What's good, guys? Tales from the Drift. I'm here with an abandoned playground and Bando Ben, and yeah, we're stuck in traffic in the Bronx right now, so I figured it's a good time to film the intro. We're headed into Newark right now to hit a couple spots, and I'll see you guys when we're in there. Stop! Damn, the boys just peeped us. The boys just peeped us. Yo, cops just drove by behind us. I don't give a fuck, bro.
That way, this way. This way, this way.
Oh yeah, there is shit. Somebody be pooping around here. Damn. It is fucking bad in here. Yo. Yeah, if someone's in there, I'm not trying to fuck with you or nothing. I'm just trying to get into the theater. These stairs are fucking shit. I saw poop at the bottom of the stairs, so.
Try going up.
Where's the shit? Oh, alright. Oh, someone stepped in it.
Oh my god. You're joking.
Yo, my guy, be careful, bro. Look at this. They're shaking, bro. They're shaking. They're not connected. Just go quick and be careful with your body weight, bro. We'll do the rest of it from the inside.
I don't like this.
Yeah, me neither. This is bad. This is bad to the bone. Oh, damn. Ooh, right here is soft. Holy shit. Yeah, for real. Okay, so how do we fucking... Oh god. I gotta piss out this window, so just go past me. Hurry, motherfucker. Up we go. The police aren't gonna do shit. Be careful of the floor. Here we go. In its final years as a theater, in order to raise funds and try and get some money to prevent closure, this upper theater was actually an adult X-rated film theater. Yo, Ben. The fuck? Where did you just come from? Right up here, yo. Pop out. Holy shit. This is pretty amazing. so I'm gonna have to climb this. Oh God. Oh, it's no less scary up here. Holy. This is a bit of a fucking nerve-wracker. Nah. Biggest nah of my life. Yo, be careful. I don't trust this concrete. Nah. There's a massive gaping hole in the concrete. Like, huge.
Why is it slanted?
Nah, you can see it from right here. Look in that corner.
Oh shit, there's a hole, yeah.
And look underneath it. You can see where the concrete literally just... Alright, I think I might have to get some shots. Joe! Go back up, we're above you.
Why? So you guys last?
No, you left. Yeah. I thought we lost you through a floor or something.
No, I thought you guys left. I don't know. I didn't even hear you guys.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh, nice. Heroin needles. Tales from the Drift. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I usually don't ask stuff like this, but if you enjoy my content, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to know that I have a community that likes to come on my adventures with me, even if it's vicariously. So like, subscribe. Any support would be greatly appreciated. And thank you very much.